Children, today we are going to learn about the direction social lesson number 9. So direction we use in common word in our life. Always we speak about where is our voice, in which direction your house is located, east or west, south or north. No. So and also which direction is in your house and which direction your school. So this is the common word you use the direction, the word direction. So in this lesson we learn about what is directions, how you know the direction, which is the media we take a find the directions. Understood? So these are all the things we learn. Which are the major directions, which are the sub directions, how you find out the directions. So these are all things we learn in this lesson, childrens. First you know about direction. What is direction? Direction is a line along which a person or a thing move or looks. What is direction? Direction is a line along which a person or thing moves or looks. You can use the sun for direction. Always remember that the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. So from morning before noon, the sun is at the east. After noon till later it starts showing up the west. So if you know where you east and west now, that's all be easy to figure out where you north or south. Look at these children's. One is walking to his right and one is walking to her left. The forward area is front. What lies behind is back. Thus right, left, front and back. So there are 4 directions. There are opposite directions. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east and west. These are the directions never change. Understood? What is used for find the direction? Use the sun for you find the direction. You know always sun rises in the which direction? East. The sets in the west. So in the morning before noon the sun is in the east. So that is east direction. After noon till later it starts showing up at west. So that we are now west direction. So this is help to find the north and south direction. Look at these children. One of the walking to his right and one of the walking to her left. The forward area is front and that is behind is back. Thus right, left, front and back. These are 4 directions. Right, left, front, back. There are opposite directions. There are 4 directions. They are north, south, east and west. ಸೊ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಮುಂಭಾಗ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಮುಳುಗುವುದನ್ನು ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟನ್ನು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್. So here is a picture is given, children. You look at the picture, page number 62. The boy stand in front of the sun. The front of the face is called east. The back is called west. Left is east and right is west. Understood? The stand, get up in the morning, children. Stand up with face toward the rising sun. Stretch your arms. Understood? Now your face is toward the east. On your back is west. The left is north and to the east is south. Understood? Left is north and east is south and right is south. These directions never change. Understood? Which directions never change? East, west, north, south. The rising face of the sun is known as east. The back face of the sun, the back is west. Your left is north and your right is south. So these are the never change. The sun always rises in the east. It is in the morning. The sun always sets in the west. It sets in the evening. Thus, you know the four directions: north, south, east, and west. Which are the four directions, children? North, south, east, and west. With their help, we can find four directions. They are called subdirections. Look at the following diagram. The halfway between the northeast is known as northeast direction, that is NE. Halfway between northwest is called as northwest, that is NW. Halfway of the west and south, that is southwest, that is SW. Halfway between the south and west is known as southwest or SW. These are subdirections. Which are the subdirections? Northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. Understood? So these are the what are the main directions? North, south, east, west. These are the main directions. Which are the main directions? North, south, east, west. Which are the sub directions? Northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. So look at the map, children. There is a uniform way the number naming the directions. Take any map and spread it to the table and hang it on your wall. The top of the map shows the north direction, while the bottom of the map shows the south direction. Toward the right is the east and west lies between the left. Look at the map India in atlas. Jammu and Kashmir lie in the north, where Tamil Nadu lies in the south, Gujarat in the west, and West Bengal in the east. In this way, we find the places in the map. Understood? Map is very important to find the directions. You use with the help of the map, we find the areas or places in India. Understood? So we spread the map in a table or hang it on a wall. The top of the map shows the north direction, while the bottom of the map shows the south direction. Toward the right is east and the west lies toward the left. Look at the map of India. It is an atlas. Jammu and Kashmir lie in the north, whereas Tamil Nadu lies in the south. Gujarat is in the west and West Bengal is in the east. So these are all the things we learn in this lesson. What is the main point we learn in this lesson? We learn the directions. So sun is used for the directions. Direction is the line along which a person or a thing moves on looks. You can use the sun for directions. There are four directions. The four cardinal directions or cardinal points of the directions are northeast, southwest. So these are all the things we learn in this lesson. Understood, children? So answer the following questions are given. So there are 6 questions are given. I give the answer for these all questions. So first main is answer the following questions. Which are the questions? First one. When does sun rise? When does sun rise? Sun rise in the morning. What is the answer for first question? Sun rise in the morning. When does the sunset? When does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening. When does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening. So next, what are the 4 main directions? What are the 4 main directions? Already I told, no? Once again you remember, which are the 4 main directions of the on earth? There are 4 main directions are north, east, south and west. Understood? These are the main directions, 4 main directions. What is opposite of south? What is the opposite of south? The opposite of the south is north. Understood? Next, what are subdirections? The subdirections are halfway between north and east is northeast, that is NE. The halfway between north and south is northwest or NW. The halfway between south and east is southeast sea. Halfway between south and west is known as southwest or SE. So next, sixth one, name any state in the west of India. Name the any state. Which are the give the importance example for south of India. Which state? That is Gujarat. Gujarat is the example for it is the state in west of India. Understood? Next, what is the next main children's? That is fill in the blanks. Open the page number 68. The sun rises in the dash. Where does sun rises in which direction? East. The sun sets in the west. The halfway between northeast is north and east is northeast. The halfway between southwest is southwest. The Tamil Nadu is in the dash of India. That is south of India. Understood? The sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. The halfway between north and east is northeast. The halfway between south and west is southwest. Tamil Nadu is the dash of the India, south of the India. So next main is true or false. The sun sets in the east. True. So, false. Directions 4 in a number. True. Kashmir is the south of India. False. Kerala is south of India. True. We should know the direction with the help of shadow of the sun. False. Understood? So these are all the things we learn in this lesson. Understood, children? In next class, I will continue. Once again, I tell you, read the lesson 1 or 2 times. Then you easily understand about this lesson. Understood, children? Okay, thank you. Bye.